I remember having this discussion with a really prominent fruit fly researcher who had a good grip on things. And he said, well, Sean, what do you think? And I said, it's not going to be much more than a fly or a worm, 15, 20,000. Bingo. Maybe it's 20,000, but it's not any more than a mouse or something like that.
Hmm.
So, first of all, that kind of, vanquishes our genetic, specialty, our specialness genetically. But it really underscores something that, as you know, is fundamentally interesting to me about evolution, which is how you build diversity with essentially the same toolkit of genes.
Hmm.
So you don't need more genes to make more and different kinds of creatures. You can use the same genes you got, just in myriad different ways. So in many ways, sort of the leveling of the playing field for humans to have a similar genetic complement as mice and chickens and even fruit flies was to also tell us that we shouldn't be thinking that the number of genes dictates the complexity of a creature, but it's how genes get used that are the real source of diversity. And that is a major message that then emerged in research that was directly comparing how different animals were built and what the genetic machinery involved was.
Hmm.